As a farmer myself, I understand only too well the stresses, pressures and challenges facing our farming people. And that's why I'm really proud to support the RABI. They provide help to the farming community, and this can include anything from practical care to financial grants and even professional mental health counselling. If you need to get in touch, they have a free phone number that is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The number is 0800 188 4444. They also have a stand at the Great Yorkshire Show this year, and I'll be dropping by on Friday. So I hope to see some of you there. Anyway, better get back to these sheep. They're not going to shear themselves. Thank you for listening. Bye.